Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be a school cook for this video. So the real cook is there behind us. You can see her doing her work. Yeah, so I'm just going to join her in doing her work. So pretty much that's, I want to see, is it an easy work, is it a hard job? So I hope you guys will like it. Please kindly subscribe, like, share, comment, yeah. So let me gain some cooking experience from her for a big number of people. Okay, so see you.
Cooking alone is not a very hard job, especially if you're cooking for a small group of people. But this was my very first time to cook for a large number of people, because we're cooking for the pupils and their teachers. So this is the school where my mom works, so I'd going to visit. So I was like, why not just try out? I really wanted to have the experience. So now cooking is easy. Cooking is easy, especially if you're still preparing the sauce and all of that. Now, we all know that, I'm sure most of you watching me have been to boarding schools or even day schools where you've been having your meals from school. Now, look at that big number. This day taught me that, say, respect everybody doing whatever kind of job. Just respect, because nobody's job is easy. Now, someone might look at her and be like, okay, this cooking job is easy and all of that, because we feel like all of us can cook. So what? What's the big deal? India, this job is not easy. And I was talking to her and she was telling me the job is very hard, but because of her kids, because she has to fend for the family, so it is a very hard job, but she has to sacrifice and do, because at least it gives her money, even if it's not much. By the way, I think she's paid 5,000 per day. You see all this work, 5,000. It is hard labor. She deserves more, but that's what the school can offer. So what she does, and it's really, really, really a hard job. Really, really a hard job. And we're going to see the hardest part of this job. The preparing the sauce and all of that is very, very easy. We are going to see the hardest part. If you keep watching this video till the end, you are going to find out what the hardest part is, okay? And so, while I kept asking her a few questions, I kept talking to her. She told me she buys drugs every day, because after she has finished to cook, a lot of backache, waist ache, so she has to take drugs every single day. Really a hard job, please. If your parent is a cook, or I mean a school cook, or cooks for, I don't know, that this job is hard. So I know some of our parents, someone watching, maybe the parent might be doing this, or a relative. Please respect that person. Respect that person. Do not undermine that person's job, because isn't anything fire and then cooking for a large audience is not easy. It's not easy. Especially if you're going to cook. Mingling posho is easy. You get it. Matoke is easy. All the other things are easy, but mingling enyasa is the hardest. It is very hard. Okay, so this was just me trying to help her with a few things here and there. And she was really, really excited. She was happy that like she has somebody helping her today. So she was really, really happy. And I enjoyed doing the work though. So we prepared garden egg, what we commonly call entula in Uganda. So we prepared garden egg and mixed with beans and inyasa. So that's what we prepared. As you can see, I'm frying the garden egg, and then later I will add the beans that has already cooked on it. While on the other hand, on the other side, she was shifting the flour, the cassava flour that we're going to use for mingling, just to ensure that there are no particles in it, as in those huge particles, to ensure that it's very clean and safe.
So guys, the things are cooking and we are waiting for the water to boil so that we can mingle food. Okay, so I don't know if you've ever done this work before. Please let me know down in the comment section how it is for you. Is it an easy job? Is it hard? um yeah, so this is me, the cook of today, a school cook. Okay, so let's wait. This is cassava flour.
So I did a video on how to prepare this. It's titled "How to Prepare Cassava Powder in brackets Anyafra." So you can go and watch the video and see how we prepare this.
So those are the school children. So cooking for their teachers, and some of them. It's a primary school.
So this is now the hardest part of this job. The hardest part of this job. For those who have tasted inyasa, like someone told me it's called kaunga kamuog or something like that. If you've tasted it and you know how it is, it's not like posho. It is more I don't know how to, but it's more of like a gum. It is it's kind of soft and hard. I don't know how to really explain it, but it's more like a gum. So just imagine you mingling that kind of food for a large number of audience. So it is very hard. So this is the hardest part of this job, mingling in Nyasa. This is the part that gives her so much waist pain, so much backache. Even me, when I did this job, I'm telling you the truth, I had body aches because hey, this kind of job is not easy. So we had to do it, two of us. So at least if it's two people doing it like this, it is easy. But imagine one person does this every single day, 5 days in a week, 5 days in a week. So every single day she does this, except Saturdays and Sundays. But if there is a meeting or something, she still has to come and do it. So This is basically the hardest part of this job. So this is us mingling in. Yes, actually the beginning is easy. The beginning is easy, but as you proceed, as it keeps getting ready, that's when it becomes very hard. The point that one person can't do it, but she tries. She does it all by herself, alone. She is a strong lady, actually. She does it all alone every single day.
For your presence in here. In his name I find, in his name I find, in his name I find the peace I seek. In his name I find, in his name I find, in his name I find the joy I seek. On end, there was none that my soul could depend.
So at this point, it became really hard, and like when both of us try to lift it, the saucepan also comes up. So she told me to leave it to her. Let me just help her hold the saucepan as she does it. So yeah, the way she's doing it is the way she does it every single day. But just because I've fast forwarded it, this thing is hard. It is not an easy job. You need so much energy to do what she's doing. So much energy. If you're weak, you can't. You totally can't. The schools I've been to, I've been in boarding school right from senior one up to senior six, and I've always seen men doing this, even in primary, because we used to have all our meals from school in primary. Though we were, it was a day school, but we had breakfast and lunch actually at school. So it was the men doing it, but it's still not an easy job. It is still not an easy job.
This one has been my photographer. Hapo umejati? Yeah.
So this is a primary school, like I said earlier, and it's a government aided school. So not everyone eats at school. It's a few pupils who eat at school, especially those who are sponsored and those whose parents have paid for the meals at school. So we are carrying the food into the kitchen. This is actually the main kitchen, this building, but it's too small. It's very small inside. So if you put fire there, remember it's firewood, there's too much smoke, so it's not good. So she prefers to cook outside. So, so the food is ready to be taken to the staff room. Because she already carried the sauce, so she's just going to put everything together and take to the staff room. While other people who don't eat cassava because they are diabetic, so you know cassava sometimes can be sweet, sweet. So this was me mingling for them sorghum. So I was mingling it for them. So I think there was only one or two people. I can't remember clearly, but yes, this was me mingling for them. And yes, guys, that's it for this video. If you really, really enjoyed it, kindly give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment. How was it? Do you think it's an easy job? Would you do this kind of job? And share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please do subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe as well because more content is coming. And yes, I will see you in the next video. And not to forget, I'm so grateful for the support you guys have given me so far. God bless all of you. Till next time. Bye bye.